Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on iPhone XS mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone, then remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, you need a good suction cup or something similar. Here we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove 5 screws to take out the shield. Then undo the touch, LCD and earpiece assembly plug. Next, on the broken screen, undo 3 screws and take out the earpiece assembly and the bracket. Now on the new replacement screen, add the bracket and place the earpiece assembly by adding 3 screws. A quick note, it is good to connect the new screen and check the working condition before adding the earpiece unit. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note, this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, start connecting the front screen to the body. First, connect the LCD and touch assembly plugs, and then lock the board's earpiece assembly plug. Make sure the connections are secured and add the shield by adding 5 screws. Now to clamp up the iPhone, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. Now turn on the phone and insert the SIM tray. And once the verification has passed, add 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.